Welcome again to another presentation with Dayo Aditloye. Today we'll be looking at the Nigerian Youth Investment Fund, the 29 questions and how to answer them. So this is a fully expanded explanation and I want you to follow me as I take you through it. Okay, a brief overview of this empowering and transforming opportunity. So the Youth Investment Fund is an opportunity that has prepared 110 billion naira for youths targeted to young Nigerians aged 18 to 40 years. Now, the key objective is to reduce unemployment and to prepare an affordable financing option for youths and to sustain growth by ensuring that 1 million jobs is available in 2024. So the things they will require you to prepare before you apply is your NIN, which is the National Identification Number. Then you must have a viable business idea. So how do you apply? You go to the registration link, which I will show you soon. Then you complete your application, you upload your supporting document, then you submit. Okay, so they will ask you for proof of business ownership if you are an existing business, but new business can apply. So here is the link for you to apply. If you are watching this on our YouTube channel, at the comment section, you will see the link to apply and links to other videos. If you are watching this on another platform, you will also see all the opportunity for you on those platforms. So let's dive into the core of my focus today, which is to pick the questions one by one and give you detailed explanation and approach for each of the Nigeria Youth Investment Fund 2024 application questions. So number one is your name. So you provide full name as it appears on your official document. And when I mean your official document, it could be your bank identification number, it could be your national identification number or voters card or national ID card or your driver's license or international passport, any of these that you have. The way your name is written there, that's what you should do. The second one, you put your national identification number, NIN. So you put the number there. The number is usually 11 digits. Okay, so the third question is bank verification number. The bank verification number is also an 11 digits. So you should have that. Now, if you are just 18 years, maybe you just clock 18 years this year, and you don't have all these numbers, please work around it. I encourage people that are 18 years to even apply for this so that they can get exposed to business information and knowledge earlier in life. Number four is your email address. By now, you know you should have a valid email address that you know you can check regularly. That is what you should use. Then your phone number, your primary contact that you know they can reach you on. Then your age between 18 to 40 years. If you are beyond this age, then partner with people that are lesser within the age range. Partner with them, get a lawyer to sign a partnership contract so that you know what you do. You can actually partner with people. So you put your date of birth. Let the date of birth be the one that is in your official record. This is very important. Then your permanent home address. So if you want to apply, this is the link to apply. Like I said, you will see it at the comment section of this video. So your permanent home address, put it there. The town, the city, put it. Then the state of origin, you put it there where your family is originated for. The highest level of qualification, this is also important. You put your highest level of qualification there. Then you provide schools that you've attended. Any school that you've attended, put the name, the location, and any relevant details like the courses or degree that you're playing, put them there. Just list them there. The state of business implementation. Now you want to state where your business operates and where you intend to implement your business idea. Choose the state where your business activity will take place, okay? So number 14, question number 14, the town or city of the business, you will write it there. Now, years of business experience. Number of years you have been in business, put it there. Be honest about your experience level, whether you are a startup or you have been operating for years. Now, the next one is business status. Indicate whether your business is a startup, growing, or is established. Select the status that best represent the current stage of your business. Now, type of business stroke program of interest. So choose the program of interest. So for example, a lot of people used to ask questions around this, and I will explain to you. Now, select the option that align with your business goal. You want to be part of an existing cluster. You want my startup idea funded. I want my startup idea funded. So if you are a startup, you are just starting, it's a new idea, then you choose this number 2. If you are an existing business, you want to grow it, choose this number 3. I want my business growth funded. Now, if you have a new idea you want to propose, I want to propose a scaling initiative for existing cluster. Then you want to propose a cluster idea. So they have this thing called cluster. All right. So if you have been part of any cluster before, then you say it. You want to propose a rural or community-based venture for a cooperative. Do you know that cooperative can apply for this opportunity as well? You know, some people are not looking in this direction at all. Now, brief description of your business. So you summarize your business, what your business does, then highlight the key product or services you offer, your target market, and what makes your business unique. Then number 19, type of facility. So the form of financial assistance you are requesting for, choose between loan, equity, or grant based on your business need. You know, I emphasize more that you are the one that will actually give them a proposal. If you want a loan, pick loan. If you want equity, pick equity. If you want grant, pick grant. Some people don't know the difference between these three. Loan is money that they will give to you, then you pay interest, all right? Why grant is the money they give to you, you are not paying back. Why equity means you and government, you will own the business together. The next one, amount applied for. Explanation, the specific amount of funding you are requesting for, you put it there. Be realistic about the amount needed to achieve your business goal. Don't say because you can access 100 million, then you now put 100 million naira loan. Please be realistic and put something you can manage. Time, period, or repayment. The duration which you plan to repay the loan back. So most of the time, I ask people to put 3 or 5 years. Then this is a compulsory question. Even if you want grant, you still have to fill this aspect. That's very important. So provide a reasonable time frame that aligns with your projected cash flow. The moratorium, a period which repayment of loan is not required. If applicable, specify the moratorium period that will help your business stabilize before starting repayment. Most of the time, the moratorium is 6 months. But if you are collecting a lot of loans, all right, you might do 1 year, but standard is 6 months. Now, question number 23. Business registration status with CAC. Indicate whether your business is officially registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. If registered, provide the date, registration number, and if not, explain your plans to register. So this is very important because they will ask you to upload your CAC certificate when you're applying for this. So receive business development training. they want you to indicate if you have undergone any formal training in the business development. If yes, mention where and which institution provided the training. If you have not received training, just pick no because they have training component for this application. They will train you. But if you have been trained, just pick that you have been trained. The next one is business plan. And you know that this is where we come in. Business plan is the aspect where my team and I will come in to support you. We have been writing business plan for the past 10 years. This is our field. All right. If you look at this space very well, you will see that only few people are doing educational content like this around this application. It's because this is our field. That's the reason why we're at the forefront of creating content for you to have full knowledge of this. So for business plan, they have a procedure, a comprehensive document detailing your business strategy. So the approach, ensure your business plan cover all the necessary section, executive summary, general business information, product description, access to market and marketing plan, management structure and financial information, also implementation schedule. This is what they want you to write. Currently, we are targeting to work with 500 SME and MSME to help them craft a compelling and winning business plan. So if you want us to work with you on that, you will see our contact at the end of this presentation. Just go ahead and reach out to us. In 2 to 3 days, we'll be able to deliver to you your business plan. And it's just 5-page business plan they want you to do. Have you been part of any cluster? Please indicate whether you are currently involved in a business cluster. Answer honestly, this could affect your eligibility for certain type of funding. Okay, if you want to apply for this opportunity, this is the link. You see it at the comment section as well. Other attachments, additional document like CSC registration. You see the CSC registration. If you don't have, no problem. You can use SMES registration to apply. The link to apply for spender certificate, you will see at below the comment section. And I will also do a video on how to do that very soon. It's free. All right. CSC registration, I also do it. You can reach out to me. We charge for the CSC registration. So reach out to me. We can do that for you as well. So the question number 28, referee 1 and 2. Provide details of 2 individuals who can vouch for your character and business integrity. And then choose referees who are familiar with your business and can provide a strong recommendation. This is very important as well. Additional information, any other details that might support your application. So use this section to highlight anything unique about your business or situation that wasn't covered in the previous questions. So yeah, I always encourage people to write to convince them that your business can actually employ people. This is very, very important. So you will see that I'm reading this for you from our website, directly.com. The link to this website, you will see it at the comment section or the description section of this video as well. I will encourage you to watch other videos. We've done close to 10 videos now on Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. So you want to watch other videos that we have done on this. So we can help you write a winning business plan for Nigeria Youth Investment Fund and deliver it to you within 2 to 3 days. If you need that service, call or WhatsApp us on 080607799290 or this other contact or send us a mail. We have over 10 years experience in working with SMEs and MSMEs to win grants, loans, and raise equity investment. You can also download our company profile here to know more about us. So thank you very much for listening to me. I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because here we share with you business information. We share with you wealth and finance information, things that will build your entrepreneurial capacity. These are the things that we do here. So I want you to follow us and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.